problem with this loose on the end, the bolt inside there you can't get at without pulling this off. Unfortunately this has got the rivets in the top and not little plastic rivets. These things, it should have these little plastic rivets or even self-tapping screws. So I've taken one out, drilled it out there. So we see how we go on with the repair, getting the others out. Okay, just tighten up this Allen headed bolt down here. And that should be okay. Alignment looks about right. You'll be able to put the cover back on the top. So we just need to put in these expanding rivets to finish the job off. Job's done now. Those three you fitted in. So close it all down. It should be, won't rattle about now.